Top 10 surprising facts about the effects of music on mental health. Number 10. It can help you eat less. This is perhaps one of the most surprising psychological benefits of music. According to a study, people who went to eat at low-lit restaurants, where soft music was being played, consumed 18% less food than at other restaurants. When feeling relaxed and comfortable, we eat more slowly and hence start to feel more full in one sitting. So, if you want to lose weight, dimming the lights and listening to mellow music might help you achieve your goals. Number 9. Music can help ease mental as well as physical pain. Music can be very helpful for us to manage our pain. A study shows that patients who listened to music before, during, or after the surgery experienced less pain than those who did not listen to music. Though listening to music anytime is proven effective, better results were seen if listened during pre-surgery. So, if you or someone you know is going into surgery, maybe bring some soothing music to help them relax. Number 8. Music improves memory. Rhythm and melody can help form patterns in our brain, enhancing our memory. When trying to learn for an exam, people who listened to music positively responded to memory recollection. Listening to certain songs that trigger positive emotions helps in memory formation without interference. Number 7. Music can keep your brain healthy, even in old age. There are a lot of people above the age of 80 who are healthy and fit, and for many of them, their secret is music. There are healthy older adults with 10 or more years of musical experience, who has better cognitive function. Studying an instrument takes years of practice and learning, which improves our mental health. Perhaps, one of the biggest advantages of music to the human mind is that it can keep us healthy by reducing anxiety, depression, and helps in improving our mood and much more. Number 6. Sad music deepens anxiety. Now, this is one of the most surprising negative effects of music on our mental health. Research has shown that happy music can make us feel happy. But it also has a reverse effect. Sad music can make us feel sad. The sadder the music, the sadder we get. So, listening to sad music, if you're going through a tough time, might not be the best option. Number 5. Music helps us sleep better. Insomnia is quite a serious condition that affects people of all age groups. Music has proven itself to be an effective and affordable remedy for this. Listening to classical, relaxing music can help sleep better in a safe manner. While there are other ways to approach insomnia, this is considered as one of the safest and simplest ways. Number 4. Music reduces stress. Slow or meditative music produces a relaxing effect. Faster tempos produces arousal. But immediately after the upbeat music stops, heart rates and blood pressures comes below their usual levels, indicating relaxation. Number 3. Music improves workout endurance. Music can divert your mind through the power of distraction. Sometimes you realize that while you were listening to your favorite album, you just ran far more than you thought you did. Music can boost our physical performance and workout endurance, and it can motivate us to pick up the pace. We work hard and yet it doesn't feel like it because music diverts our mind. Runners are able to run faster and longer, and the same is for each workout. Number 2. Music may reduce symptoms of mental health illness. Music therapy is a technique of true medicine that cures many of our mental problems, and thus it has a complementary effect on mental health. Music is used in many settings, including schools, rehabilitation centers, hospitals, nursing homes, community centers, and sometimes even in the home. Moreover, researchers have found out that music therapy is an effective method to reduce depression in patients suffering from conditions such as dementia, stroke, and Parkinson's. Number 1. Music influences our mood. Our brain releases dopamine while we listen to music that we like. Dopamine generates positive effects and make us feel elevated, happy and relaxed. Music touches the heart, it evokes good feelings and emotions. A positive mood helps us regulate our emotions, creating relaxation and happiness in our everyday life.